How to drive a car. Driving a car involves several steps and considerations to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. Here's a basic guide to help you get started. First, learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with the controls. Understand the purpose and function of the pedals, steering wheel, gear shift, handbrake if there is a handbrake. Sometimes there's just a foot brake or parking brake. The indicators, headlights, windshield wipers, and other controls. Adjust your seat and mirrors. Ensure you're comfortable and have a clear view of the road by adjusting your seat position, mirrors, and steering wheel. The next step is pre-drive checklist. First is the seatbelt. Always wear a seatbelt before starting the car. Mirrors. Adjust your side and rear view mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Ignition. Insert the key or use the start button to turn on the ignition. Gear. Place the gear shift in park for an automatic car, or if you have a stick shift or manual shift, put it in neutral. After this, you'll want to start the car. With automatic transmission, depress the brake pedal. Then, turn the key or press the start button to start the engine. Next, you'll shift the gear to drive or reverse depending on your intended direction. For a manual transmission, depress the clutch pedal and brake pedal simultaneously. Then you'll turn the key to start the engine. You'll then shift it to neutral. Release the parking brake. Next, we have basic driving. Accelerating. So when you're driving, gently press the accelerator pedal to increase the speed. Braking. Gradually apply the brake pedal to slow down or stop the car. Steering. Use the steering wheel to control the direction of the car. Keep both hands on the wheel for better control. Next, we have turning. Use the turn signals. Always use your indicators to signal your intention to turn. Slow down. Reduce your speed before entering a turn. Check your blind spots. Look over your shoulder to check blind spots before changing lanes or turning. Changing lanes. Check mirrors. Use your side and rear view mirrors to check for other vehicles. Signal. Indicate your intention to change lanes using your turn signals. Check blind spots. Look over your shoulder to ensure no vehicles are in your blind spots. Next, we'll talk about parking. Parallel parking. Practice aligning your car parallel to the curb. Use your mirrors and turn signals and take it slowly. Perpendicular parking. When parking in a lot, pull into the spot slowly, leaving enough room around your vehicle. Stopping. Traffic lights and stop signs. Come to a complete stop before the designated line or intersection. Wait for your turn to proceed. Emergency stop. If you need to stop suddenly, press the brake pedal firmly and steadily. Exiting the car. Shift to park. For automatic cars, shift to park. For manual cars, shift to neutral and engage the handbrake. Turn off the engine. Turn off the engine. Turn off the ignition and remove the key or press the start button to stop the engine. To engage the handbrake, pull the handbrake to secure the car. Remember, these steps are a general guide. It's highly recommended to take professional driving lessons from a certified instructor and practice in a safe and controlled environment before driving on public roads. Always follow traffic laws and regulations and prioritize safety at all times. Happy driving.